Yes, hello YouTubers, this is Aerial Dances Uganda. I'm going to quickly show you on how to post a picture or a photo instead of a video on your YouTube channel. There you go. Make sure your internet is working very well. Please, new members, subscribe on my YouTube channel for more awesome videos. There you go. This is our YouTube channel. It's Aerial Dances Uganda. As you're seeing here, we are going to be learning on how to upload a photo instead of a video on your YouTube channel. Come here down on the timeline, there is home, there is videos, playlist, community, channels, about. We are going to come on community. Here on community, click on it. After double tapping on it, wait for a moment. Here you go. These are some of the pics that I uploaded long time ago. These are some of the pics that I uploaded, but we are going to be learning on how to do it. Come here. There is video, there is poll, there is image. Now remember, we want to learn how to upload an image or a photo or a picture. Click on the image. After clicking on it, you will be seeing this. Select a file to upload, tap on it. Now it will be taking you straight to the computer. These are the pictures that are in my computer, but I want to upload a pic on my YouTube channel. Select any picture you feel like you want to post on your YouTube channel. Let me select this randomly. I've selected that. Now you will be repositioning it the way you want it. May I want it like that. Then from here, you come here to give it a caption. Any caption you feel like. Now let me give it any caption I feel like. Family. Are you ready for my next video? Are you ready for my next video? There you go. After typing the caption I feel like, I come here to save a preview. After saving a preview, this is how it will be looking. Now remember to here, are you seeing this word post? Then you're going to tap on post. After tapping on post like this, you give it a second. It's uploading. There you go. This is our picture. This is how we upload a picture or a photo onto our YouTube channels. There you go. Now it's done. Please, thanks for learning. This is Aerial Dances Uganda. Keep subscribing on my YouTube channel. See you when you see me.